Oh no. You really locked yourself out of your iPhone, forgot your passcode, tried too many times, and now it says iPhone unavailable? But don't stress. In this video, I'll show you 3 foolproof ways to factory reset your iPhone, even if you can't remember a single digit of your passcode. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Forgot passcode option. First up, check if your iPhone shows the Forgot Passcode option at the bottom of the screen. If you see it, here's what to do. Tap Forgot Passcode. Then sign in with your Apple ID password. Your iPhone will now start resetting itself. After that, just set it up again like new. And finally, restore your data from iCloud backup. Easy, no computer needed. But here's the catch. This only works if you're on iOS 17.0 or later, and if your device is connected to Wi-Fi and unlocked with Face ID before. If the option's not there, well, Apple's just being Apple. Let's move to something more reliable. Method 2. Use Tenorshare for UK. Now, this is the go-to fix for iOS 26 users. When everything else fails, 4UK gets it done. No iTunes, no complicated steps. Just plug in your device and let it do the work. Here's how. First, download and install Tenorshare 4UK on your computer. Then connect your locked iPhone. Click on Unlock iOS screen. Now follow the on-screen guide to enter recovery mode. Quick press volume up. Volume down, then hold side button. Your iPhone will turn off and reboot into recovery mode. You can download the latest iOS software on 4UK. Wait for the download to complete, and you can start unlocking your iPhone. Finally, click Start to remove and wait for a while. Once it's done, your iPhone will be fully reset. After that, just set it up like a new iPhone. When you get to the activation screen, sign in with your Apple ID to unlock it. And if you've got a backup, go ahead and restore your data. This method works every time, even if your screen is completely locked out. Method 3. Use iCloud to erase iPhone. No computer nearby? No worries, you can still erase your iPhone using iCloud. Here's what to do. Grab another iPhone or Android devices. Open a browser and go to iCloud.com/find. Then log in with your Apple ID. Select your locked iPhone from the list. Then click on Erase this device. Follow the process and confirm, and boom, it'll reset remotely. Once your iPhone restarts, you can set it up again like new. Downside? Your iPhone must be online and Find My must be enabled. Otherwise, this method won't work. Out of everything I've tried, using 4UK ended up being the most straightforward. No Apple ID needed, no Wi-Fi checks, it just gets the job done quietly, even on iOS 26. Honestly, it's what I'd go with if this happened again. Alright, that's it. If you're stuck on the iPhone unavailable screen in iOS 26, now you've got 3 solid methods to factory reset your phone. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more iPhone fixes and drop a comment if you've got questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and hey, maybe write down your passcode next time.